language have a positive respect to interactions.
Okay, number 2, sa elements of effective digital communication. So, tone and language. Appropriate tone and language. So, the tone and language, it reflects what is the writer's attitude. Ano niya nakatasan? The level of respect, one line. So, sa chapters kan, di mo consider sa mga akin, na nabasa din ng mga akin. So, in digital communication, tone can be easily misunderstood. Sa tono sa pagbasa niya, misunderstood. Kaya may mga sa misunderstanding. Because there are no facial expressions and voice cues. Sa chat mo siya, kung ka-chat namin isa, babasa mo lang, di ba? Wala na isip na. Makakawan mo ka-imagine mo yung tsura niya, pero hindi mo ba yung emotions? Ang voice niya, ma-imagine mo kung wala naman yung tono. So, no facial expression and voice cues. Instead, para ma-consider na dapat siya, at sa tono, using polite words in proper language. Help create positive and respectful interaction. Like for example, sa number 1 na example, send this now. Ano na siya? Gawin na? Ginapagdali ka na ba ginarush? Naman doon. Send this now. Kasi wala sa extreme sa kapag ka, pagbasa mo, do okay, send this now. Instead of sending that, could you please send this when you have time? Thank you. So, may mga polite words in please ka, thank you. Kasi nakikakig ka na send na mo sa polite words. Hindi mo consider nakikig ka. Rather than ako mayayawan mo siya with polite words. Wala po na. Next example. You didn't follow the instructions. Wala ka follow sa instructions. Sa po, teacher na lang sa example. Alam mo na ito, you didn't follow the instructions. Di ba pag intindi mo, ito aking teacher sa imo. Wala kang follow instruction. Instead of that, it seems some instructions with verbs. So, ang instruction na na, ikawan. So, let me clarify them. Karoon ng instruction na. So, number 2 medium element is the appropriate tone and language. Respectful language in using polite words. That is the number 2 element. Number 3, audience awareness. What's the audience awareness? Gil Balboa.